This is the proposed estimation for these 4 units of 2-bedroom duplex designed for comfort, functionality, and modern living in Delta State, Nigeria, 2026. The building measures 21.3 meter by 12 meter, giving a total square area of 255 square meter. The type of foundation is pad. The living room is 12 feet by 14 feet, and the dining room is 8 feet by 8 feet. The kitchen is 12 feet by 9 feet. The guest room is 12 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 9 feet by 6 feet, and the master bedroom is 15 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 9 feet by 6 feet. All rooms are ensuite, fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. For the foundation level, using 8 coach of block, you need 140 bags of cement, 3 trips of sand, 30 tons of chippings, 2,600 blocks, 70 lengths of iron rods and labor, bringing the total cost of the foundation to 8.5 million naira. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1.9 million to buy 12 trips of sand, including labor. This process ensures proper leveling, compaction, and provides a base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as German floor with plain beam or chaining beam, you need 40 lengths of iron rods, 6 rolls of BRC, 2 roll of DPM nylon, 100 bags of cement, 2 trips of sand, and 30 tons of shipping, bringing the total cost, including labor, workmanship of the DPC to 4.1 million naira. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration and enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 5,700 blocks, 110 bags of cement, and 2 trips of sand, which amounts to 8.7 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the building walls up to the roof, up to the first floor height. For the ground floor pillar and lintel casting, you need 75 lengths of iron rods, 30 bags of cement, and half a trip of sand, bringing the total cost for the labor and pillar lintel to 2.8 million. This stage reinforces the structure. For the decking, you need 440 lengths of iron rods, 50 pieces of 1 by 12 plank, 250 pieces of 2 by 3, 170 bags of cement, 3 trips of sand, and 30 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost for material and labor to 11 million for the decking. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the first floor. Moving upward, for the first floor block work of 13 coach, we need 5,800 blocks, 110 bags of cement, and 2 trips of sand, which amounts to 8.8 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the block work to roof height. For the first floor pillar and lintel casting, you need 100 lengths of iron rods, 30 bags of cement, and half a trip of sand, bringing the total materials and labor to 2.9 million for the pillar and lintel casting. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the concrete fascia, also known as the parapet, you need 3 million naira. For the roofing, you need 578 square meter of roofing sheets, 630 pieces of 2 by 2, 390 pieces of 2 by 4, and 38 pieces of 3 by 4, bringing the total cost of the roofing to 7.3 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather elements. From foundation up to roofing, the total cost is 62 million naira. Then, for the plastering, you need 330 bags of cement, 5 trips of sand, which came up to a total cost of 8.5 million for the plastering, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, you need 7.5 million for 4 entrance doors, 24 units of 3-feet doors, and 12 units of 2-feet doors, including installation. For the windows, you need 5.6 million naira for 40 windows, including installation. For the electrical installation full conduit, you need 10 million naira, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, you need 8 million, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you need 190 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 4 million for the POP ceiling. For the wall screeding, you need 196 buckets of screeding paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 4.8 million for the wall screeding. For the matte paint, you will need 40 drums of primer and 40 drums of matte paint for both interior and exterior surfaces, including workmanship. This amounts to 5.2 million naira for the painting. For the tiling, you will need 300 cartons of wall tiles and 400 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 11 million naira for the tiling works. The total cost for just the building comes to 130 million naira. This cost does not include septic and soakaway pit, water tank stand, external wall flooring, and engineering supervision fees. Note: price differs depending on your taste of finishing, the size of the building, the site location, and the current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small small. Remember, inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 07064234077 today to begin your building project now. And to get your architectural design, MEP, building estimates, and structural designs designed to match your taste, style, and standards. How much does it cost to build a 4 unit of 2-bedroom duplex in Nigeria?